Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. Adding social sharing elements to your landing page makes it super easy for visitors to share that page with their audience, expanding your reach even further. Now, lots of Aweber landing page templates already come with the social sharing buttons built in, but I want to show you what happens if they aren't there or you want to add it to your own built from scratch page. Just drag the social element over, and then on the right side you've got some options to choose to change around the format and the size and the color, or even what's being displayed. For example, maybe LinkedIn doesn't really fit your audience. You could remove that if you wanted to. From there, we can change the size of those elements, change their alignment, and even the shape. I really like the rounded corner one, so we'll choose that. And you can also choose the color scheme. You can either have it just that black, the white color scheme. I really like the branded colors though for this page. Kind of calls them out from everything else. Now, not only can you add these to a landing page, you can also add these to your email so people can share your emails themselves on social. In any email, just drag that social element. And again, the ability to customize is basically the same as you saw on the landing page. So we can change around how they look. And this email, I think the black works a little better than the branded colors. So you can easily add social sharing elements to landing pages and even emails themselves to really expand your reach. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.